I love how things work in life. I really do. GoPro Quick. We are connected to the application. What we want to do is go to the YouTube. We are connected to our connection. It asks for a password again. I need to put in my password. Our password is in. I don't like having save copy on every single time. It's at default by GoPro. We're going to live stream. The camera says ready. We hit live stream. According to this, we are live streaming. We want to view our live stream at 10:34. We're about 15 seconds in. In about 35 seconds to a minute, we should 100% be live streaming. And this face over here will change to that screen there. Right about now, we are not live streaming at all. And that is an issue with GoPro.com, the app version only, and not the camera version, which is firmware 1.42. And the app version should be 1.16 or something like that, 10.16. So we need to shut all this down, go back to Quick, close out, wait for the done, click on the done. If we want to check our app version, we are going to go back to the screen and look for our profile. It's not going to be in the camera. It's going to be back here in the mural on the upper left about this app. If you have app version 10.16.1.79.60, you have the same issue as we all do. This worked at one given time, and today it doesn't work anymore. Camera, swipe down, swipe to the left, connection, and shut it off, and have a great day.